everybody, it's MB. I'm walking around my neighborhood and I hope you get to too. Today I'm going to do a neighborhood nature hike. A scavenger hunt I've put together, and it's got things that I can feel, things that I can hear, things that I can see, things that maybe animals can taste, because I'm not going to eat anything on my nature hike in the neighborhood, and things that I can smell. I hope you'll enjoy walking with me. We're glad that you're here and glad that you're outside. Take a look at what I'm seeing. Now let's go see what we might be able to find on our scavenger. Got my paper ready and I've got my pencil. Well, look at there. It's a Discovery Museum pencil. Let's go. Alrighty, I'm looking for something that might be wet, something that might be prickly, and something that might be smooth. Let's see. Wait, I did find something that's a little bit rough and bumpy. This fence is rough and bumpy. I'm going to add rough and bumpy to my list. Check it off. Something wet. Ooh, something smooth. I found something smooth. Look at the root of this tree. It's really smooth. Something prickly. Could that be? Let's keep walking. Well, I couldn't find anything prickly, but let's be quiet and listen. I hear something quiet, like little birds in the trees. The cars are really loud. I hear them. I hear a game of people. It's not funny, but I hear people. I'll add that to my list. People. Can you hear the people? Let's keep walking. Now we're going to look for something growing. Wow. This little bush is growing. These little flowers are growing. I can see lots of things growing. Now I'm going to look for something crawling or something flying. Let's look under this leaf. Nothing's crawling under there. I'll have to come back and check on that. Now, let's walk around. I hear the birds. Let's see if we can find anything a bird could eat. Walk this way with me. You missed it, but I did see a bird fly. So I'm gonna check that on my list. Something flying. And look, here's something prickly. Oh, yay, I found something prickly. And inside, if you look deep inside, there may be some seeds in there for a bird to eat. I'm not gonna eat it because I don't know what it is. Now, is there anything in here a rabbit might eat? Rabbits might eat these green leaves and munch on those. I'm going to check that off. Now, something a little beetle could eat. Beetles will eat the leaves off of bushes and trees. So I'm going to count that leaf as a leaf a beetle would eat. Now, it's a little early in springtime, maybe too early to smell the sweet smell of flowers, the freshness of grass, or even the strength of a stink bug. But let's go home, and on our way home, see what we can find. There's some daffodils. They have a sweet smell. I'm gonna not go in that yard because I don't live there, but I know they smell sweet. And as soon as the grass is cut, it will smell fresh. And I'm sure somewhere around here there's something that will smell strong. Thank you for joining me on my neighborhood nature hike and help me finish my scavenger hunt. You have a great day. What's happening in your neighborhood today?